Why are you coughing in my face? Well, I got a bad cough. I got a bad cough. Ah! Your cough is strong. I think because you put Super Gekko Muscles in it. Yeah, I think you're right. Oh, there you are, Catboy. I found you. Oh no, not good. Owlette, run, come on.
Stop being crazy, Catboy. There is no way Gekko's coughs are...
Oh no, Owlette, I told you to run.
Alright, I really do believe you.
Watch the full video on our channel. Like and subscribe.